Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. Everything else we said it before that fall down happening. I told you we got here at divergence as you see it from here, from that level here to here, as you see everything in front of you, my friend. I told you there is a divergence and there is a highly chance the price is going to drop, and that's what's happening. And that one is still here at the overbought area. That means there is more going down more than that, my friend. Hello and welcome, my friend. We came back in another video. So if you are interested to our channel, please make sure to subscribe. By the way, also we put in every day 1 or 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin or the crypto world. So if you are interested, you can join us. And if you're watching us from the video down, you're going to find a red button. Click at it. It's going to become gray like that. Subscribe it. And next to it, you find that bell. You came to it and you turn it to all like that. And you're going to be notified every time when also we put in a new video. So go ahead and do it. You done it. And please smash that like button to help us to put more content like this, my friend. So without further ado, let's go into start our lesson of today, my friend. Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. Again, as you see, my friend, the daily candle is finished now. And it's finished how else we accepted for it. As I tell it to you before, I told you the market is going to drop down. And that's what it did. So what next now? As you see, my friend, that candle it give us here a big rejection here and a big pin bar there. So I think the market is going to drop again. Maybe it's going to drop till that level here. So we don't know what exactly happening now. So let's wait and see. But that level here, I tell it to you before, the 24K, it's still stronger level, my friend. And the price, he couldn't break it yet. So I don't know what to say, my friend. Let's go in and to show you more. And so I don't know what's happening now. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. And now maybe the Bitcoin is going to drop till that level here. If that level is still stronger, more. So let's show you our indicators, what they're saying. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it, in the day, it's being breaking here. Now when the candle finished, it came back inside, as you see it there. Here, exactly in that place. Sorry, here. So now also we're still under that long-term trend, that one. Also being following for a long time. So let's see if it's going to break that one or it's going to retrace from that one. So it needs to break one of the two trends to see where the market is going to go. Till now there is no direction yet, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. Let me show you the other indicator. The other indicator, my friend, it's still showing here. Also, we are not at the overbought, not at the oversold. As you see it, we're still orange here. So we don't know what's going to happen, my friend. And by the way, let me show you something extra here. As I showed you before, we bring here that FIBO. If you remember, we bring it from here to here. Let me show you. We bring it last time from here to here. And that's how we know over here is going to be a retracement. Then, now we need to calculate in that one from here till here to calculating where the zone is going to be. So let's see, my friend. Let's bring it from here till here. Sorry, I need to zoom it a little bit for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see it, my friend, the level of 61.50 is here. That's where is the price now. So we need to wait in the tomorrow candle how it's going to be. Maybe it's going to come here and to drop like that and to give us a big tail down like that. Then after that, it's going to become a other high. But till now, we are not sure yet. And let's do something extra here. It's delta in that FIBO. And we bring in another one. We do it from here, sorry. I try to show you like that for everyone to understand from that here, that low, till here, that high. So let's do it together. From here, till here. The 60 and the 50 is 61 and 50, sorry. Is it here? Is it at the same place? So let's see if that trend line, that one, is going to hold, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. So it's delta in that FIBO and see what's going to happen, my friend. And I tell it to you, me in the lower time frame, I told you here, if it's going to hold, it's going to hold here. But till now, nothing yet confirmed, my friend. Let's go into lower time frames to show you what is it there, my friend. Here we are in the 4 hour, my friend. As you see here, what the price given us. That trend line, that one, we need to move it from there to here. Sorry, like that. For the picture to be more clear to us, here in the 4 hours. And we need to delete that channel because it's being broken. Let's delete it like that. And the price, it gives us something here, as you see it. Like that. As you see it, my friend. That's what the price given us now. From that zone here. And that one here. And that one where it reached today. He couldn't break the price, that 24k. So now where's the target? The target, me I think, is going to fall down till it touching here the trend line. Again, then after that it will going up. Or maybe only from that level here. Where is it now? From here it will go up. Let me zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Because here, my friend, I showed it to you before. We got here. Like that, like that, like that. A cup and handle like that. It's being broken here, my friend. It might, the price came down here to that zone. Then after that, he will retrace from here upwards. Till now, there is nothing confirmed yet, my friend. So be aware of all those things. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let me show you our indicators, my friend. Before we go into the indicator, by the way, if you are new here and you are wondering what else we're talking about, down below in the first comment, my friend, there is a 85% couple link to our highly recommended course, not by us, by Udemy. The course is going to teach you everything about technical analysis, my friend. That course is highly, highly, highly recommended, my friend. Course is going to teach you everything you want to learn about technical analysis, and you're going to know how to analyze like us, my friend. That if you want to learn technical analysis, if you don't want and you just want to start investing in the Bitcoin, next to it there is a 85% to our Bitcoin investing course. That course is going to teach you everything, my friend, how to buy, how to sell, how to do everything. Go to that course. It's a highly recommended course, not by us, by Udemy. And by the way, the course, it doesn't cost that much. It's only 13 bucks, my friend. 13 bucks is only the price of a cup of coffee. If you live in Western world, if you live in developed countries, 13 bucks is a lot of money. I'm sorry for that. If you live in third world countries, you just contact me and I will offer for you a free coupon. I don't have any problem in that. And by the way, another thing, very, very, very important, my friend. Down below in the video, there is a lot of scammers. They came because us, we are in a topic is full by scammers. They came and they writing comments. They try to send you to Telegram or WhatsApp. Don't contact no one and don't chat with no one because they will send you links, and those links, they will scam your account, my friend. Remember that they will scam your devices, no matter what is it. Phone, laptop, whatever you're using, they will scam you. So be aware of those things. All those people, that the job of them, that how they catching people. They go in, they searching for innocent people. They try to scam you, my friend. Today, my wife, the same thing. They send her a message from, I don't know from where. They told her you win with us free flights. And all those things, they are scams. So be aware of all those things, my friend. Everything is too clear. So let me show you our indicators, my friend, what they're saying. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it, I tell it to you before, if you remember. I tell you in the previous video. By the way, if you don't watch it, go and watch it. Everything else we said it before that fall down happening. I told you we got here at divergence, as you see it, from here, from that level here to here, as you see everything in front of you, my friend. I told you there is a divergence and there is a highly chance the price is going to drop, and that's what's happening. And that one is still here at the overbought area. That means there is more going down more than that, my friend. And another thing here in that indicator of us, we got here a trend line like that. Can draw it like that. So it might is going to drop only to it like that to touch it from here. Then after that it will go in upward again to the overbought area. That's just one scenario. Let's see if it's going to happen or no. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. So let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there. Here we are, my friend, in 30 minutes. And in 30 minutes, If you remember, I told you here you enter, here you take profit. So you make decent profit because you calculate them from here because the triangle is being broken. And exactly it's bring you the target. The target actually it used to be here in that zone, here in the last high, that one. Now what is the price doing, my friend? As you see it, it's falling. And I told you before here at 30 minutes in the previous video, you can go back and watch it. Also still here, I told you got here a divergence like that in the volume, my friend. And it's being very, very, very clear as you see it. Let me zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you and to know what else we're talking about. As you see here, my friend, what else we're talking about? As you see here, that spike, and here that spike, that the spike of the news, and here the last high. Is it here, my friend? So you, if you came, you connecting those dots like here to here, and that one to that one. What you seeing, my friend? Is something not right. Here the chart is going up, and down here the volume is going down, my friend. Everything is too clear. You get the picture, my friend. And another thing, let me show it to you. As you see here, that level of us here, that one us we're talking about. Sorry, let me draw it something there. Let's draw in something there for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. That level here, us we're talking about. That one, the price couldn't break it. As you see it, there, and here. And that one may show it to you in the previous video, but let's do it again. If you see from here, from that zone here, when it touched the first time till here. Let's do it together and calculating how much it's doing for us. Let's do it like that. As you see, it dropped 14%, my friend. The next time, how much it dropped? It dropped 8%, so it's the half of the first one. The third time, how much it dropped? Let's see it. From here to here. It dropped about 6%. Now, we need to make that measurement, my friend. So every time it dropped in the half of the previous one. So now, let's say it's going to drop 4%. 4% where is going to be? It's going to be here. Where is the price now? I don't know. Maybe that one is going to hold, maybe not. So that just the previous statics. Also we use it. Then we're going to see what's going to happen, my friend. So before we dealt it, my friend, let's draw in there a line to see if that analytics of us is going to hold or not. We said till here 4%. Let's see it, if it's going to hold or not. And tomorrow, we are going to come back to you by another video. And we're going to see if that analytics of us, it's holding or not. If it's going to hold from that level here, the market is going to retrace upward, my friend. If it's not, it's going to drop and it's going to give us another low high than the previous one. Previous one, it used to be 6%. So that one maybe is going to drop to give us 8 or something. So we are not clear till now. Only things now is not the right time for you to enter, my friend. So let's show you our indicators, what they say, my friend. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it, it's near here at the oversold area, my friend. If you remember here, we used to be here. I told you, don't buy now. You are at the overbought area. You be in here, I told you, bought. So if you bought from here, well, dive you bought from that level here exactly. And when you need to be sell, well, dive you sold here exactly, my friend. Everything in front of you, my friend. Now the market, it's need to fall down more than that to give you to enter to the oversold area, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. Maybe tomorrow I'm going to come to you and it's going to be at the oversold area, my friend. So if you are not subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification. So also when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So that's it for the video of today, my friend. See you tomorrow. Bye for now.